Okay, good morning, students, and we will continue with the revision work of chapter 2, types of hardware. Yesterday, we discussed about different types of storage devices, because storage devices are also hardware devices. So in that, we discussed there are internal memory, external memory. In internal memory, we include RAM, ROM, and cache memory. And in external memory, we include three types of secondary memory: magnetic based, second one is optical, and third one is flash. And in the case of magnetic, there are floppy and hard disk. So these are the two main magnetic based storage devices. So in this, data is saved in a circular form. So there are plates inside these devices. But in floppy, the plate is of plastic material. And moreover, floppy is very lightweighted and of plastic material. That's why it is flexible. We can mold it, but life of floppy is very less. Moreover, memory is very less. But floppy was popular due to MS-DOS. We have already discussed. This was the first commercial software that became popular in 1980s. Due to that, the Bill Gates became at that time Bill Gates become very famous, and the Microsoft company became the largest IT company in this world. So if you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Next is in the hard disk, there is again circular plates. These are cylinders, but there are number of plates inside that. These plates are of a hard material, and moreover, the hard disk these plates are inside the vacuum free you can say container. So there is no any air inside that, and there is no any dust. And these cylinders rotates, and while rotating, the read and write head read or write the data. But now there are some more technology. There are some devices that are optical. Means here we use laser light for reading and writing. These are CD, DVD, Blu-ray. So in CD, the full form is compact disc, and here we can store the data up to 700 MB. There are different type of CDs available in the market. These are CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. CD-R, compact disc recordable, and third one is CD-RW. These are called compact disc rewritable. So these are CD-ROM, CD-R, CD-RW. So these are the different type of. Now, in the case of CD, we can store maximum data MB. So these are the important things: 700 MB, and the form of CD is compact disc. So next type of your optical media is DVD. The full form of DVD is, yes, anybody, any student, what is the full form of DVD? Yes, Daria?
A digital versatile disk.
Digital versatile disk. Sometimes some People say for V, it is a video disk. Okay, so you can write anything. Okay, again, DVDs of three type: DVD, ROM, DVD, R, DVD, RW. So remember one thing: if we in a CD-ROM we can't add data. So data is preloaded. We can't enter more data in the read-only memory, whether DVD-R, ROM or CD-ROM. But in DVD-R, we can add the additional data if space is available. Okay, if your DVD or CD is having some extra space, free space, in that case we can write the data. In RW of DVD or CD, we can read and rewritable means you can delete previous data and enter new data. Is it clear? So difference between R and RW is rewritable means old data can be deleted, new data can be entered. But in the case of R, it is this is called recordable. It means data can be entered if space is available. Okay. Next, remember one thing: in DVD, we can store the data up to 17 GB, and in this we can write the data in both sides. This is important. This is the difference between CD and DVD. So next is Blu-ray disc. Its size is here we can store the data 25 to 50 GB. And why it is called BLU, because the laser light that read the this disc is of blue color, but in the case of CD and DVD, the laser light is of a red color. And there is no E. E is here silent. Reason is यहाँ पे E नहीं आ रहा. Reason is due to the copyright case. ठीक है? तो blue का E is not here. That's why. Now there are some flash memories. These are pen or thumb drives. So pen drives are also called thumb drives. Here, this is also called USB disk. ठीक है? USB drive भी कह सकते हैं इसको. So, so this in this type of this is called also called solid state memory. ठीक है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे चिप लगी होती है. There is a chip, not a circular format. So then there are also memory card in same way are there. And yesterday I discussed one extra now present time hard disk are also of a flash memory type. ठीक है? SSD hard disk, solid state disk. ठीक है? Now these are very famous hard disk. Now next is we come to the input devices. So input devices, these are hardware devices. These are used for giving the input to the computer system. The famous one is keyboard. It is just look like a typewriter. And remember one thing, in the case of keyboard, there are two type of keyboard: enhanced keyboard and standard keyboard. In standard keyboards, there are 80 to 85 keys. But in enhanced keyboard, there are 104 keys. ठीक है? जो लैपटॉप में कीबोर्ड होता है, that is of a standard keyboard. पर जो आपके पास डेस्कटॉप के साथ कीबोर्ड होता है, that is called enhanced keyboard. Here more keys are there. And buttons of keyboard is called keys. And this is a QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY keyboard, if the first line of alphabets, there are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So in this, your keys are not arranged in a sequence, not like A, B, C, D. This is in a, some important keys are in one side, another important keys are in another side, in order to equally distribution of work on of important keys to both hands. So next, there are present time there are wireless keyboards are also there. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास different keyboards होते हैं. और you know that when we press the key के जो कंप्यूटर के अंदर जो डाटा सेव होता है वो अस्काई कोड जाता है की हर एक कैरेक्टर का एक अस्काई कोड होता है. मैंने yesterday I discussed that कि हर एक कैरेक्टर का एक कोड होता है. Whenever we press the key, तो inside the computer the code of that character will be saved, but on screen we see the character. पर character basically computer में क्या सेव होता है, ASCII code, ठीक है, उसका binary code. So this is in a detail. Later on कभी हमें time मिलेगा तो we will discuss these things again. There is a mouse. This is called pointing device. So with the help of mouse we can select, we can open, we can right click. So many activities we can do with the help of a mouse. It's look like a mouse, that's why this device is called mouse. Now mouse are of different types. One is mechanical mouse. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत पहले जो माउस होते थे उसके पीछे की तरफ बॉल होती थी, जो स्टूडेंट्स बॉल्स को निकाल लेते थे, ठीक है. that type of mouse was mechanical mouse. Okay, now the mouse are optical mouse. Here we use the laser light technique. ठीक है, आप माउस को उठा के देखोगे तो बॉटम में रेड कलर की लाइट आ रही होती है. So this is called optical mouse. And third type of mouse is called wireless mouse. Here there is no any wire. Okay. Next is joystick. This type of device is connected with the computer system, and this is used for playing the games. Okay, so in place of controlling your game with the help of keyboard, it is very difficult for playing game. Joystick is important. So if you want to play game and you want to enjoy, then joystick is there. Then light pen. Light pen is used to draw or point the objects on the screen. So this is used to draw something on the screen exactly, or there is a pad, we draw something on the pad, same thing will be displayed in the monitor. So light pen is used to draw something, it's your signature. Whenever you apply for the your license, and at that time there is a light pen is there is a pad is there, and you sign on the pad and same signature is saved in the computer at the time of issuing license. Next is microphone. Microphone is used for recording your voice. So if you want to record your voice, this device is used. It is just like a mic in the real sense जो आपके पास होते हैं. So with the USB port, it is attached with your computer system, and whatever you speak, everything will be recorded. Now next is graphic tablet. So present time there is there are tablets are there जिसमें आप क्या करते हो, इमेज और पिक्चर आप स्क्रीन के ऊपर ड्रॉ करोगे, सेम थिंग विल बी सेव्ड इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. दिस इज अटैच्ड विद द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, ग्राफिकल टैबलेट. नेक्स्ट इज टच स्क्रीन. Present time we are giving the input to the computer or your mobile or your tablet with the help of touch. In place of using mouse, we can select, we can tap. This is not a hair click, it is called tap. So single tap, double tap. Okay, these type of things are in the case of a touch screen. Now there are some more devices. These are not used by normal user. These are used by professionals like MICR. These are magnetic ink character reader, and these are for fast processing of your checks in banks. So in a bank, when we issue any check, inside the at the bottom of the check there is a number, special number, that having a hidden information about the account holder, account number, and branch number. Everything is there. So this is used for by banks for whenever the bank will scan this, the detail is automatically on the screen, and after that processing will be fast. So these are used in banks. So these are I'm showing you MICR. So look at here, at the check, here is a check number is there with printed with special character, and this is often printed with magnetic ink. So this is called your MICR. Next is there are some more hardware devices. Scanner, this is used to create a soft copy from your hard copy, and there are drum scanner, flatbed scanner, handheld scanner. So look at here, in the case of drum scanner, जस्ट लाइक ए प्रिंटर, प्रिंटर जैसे होते हैं, पेपर रोल करता है उसमें और उसके बाद स्कैनिंग हो जाती है। तो इसमें देयर इज नो एनी लिमिटेशन ऑफ द पेज, you can scan a very large page, more than A4 size page. So this type of scanner. Then there is a second type of scanner. This is called flatbed. ये फेमस है, ये जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर बना हुआ है फ्लैटबेड बना हुआ स्कैनर, इसमें आप A4 साइज पेपर रखते हो एंड देन स्कैनिंग इज हियर। लुक एट हियर, ये स्कैनर, ठीक है, वेरी फेमस, very very famous. Or if you want to scan a little portion of your document, there is a handheld scanner. For example, in a document there is a signature at the bottom, you want to scan that only, then that case handheld scanner. Okay, it is look like your QR reader, ठीक है, QR स्कैनर जो होते हैं वो भी ऐसे ही होते हैं। तो ये हमारे पास हैंडल स्कैनर है। ये बेसिकली आप ये कह सकते हो, जो QR रीडर होता है, जो आपके पास कुछ परचेज करते हो, पीछे की तरफ देयर आर वर्टिकल लाइंस, दीज आर कॉल्ड बारकोड्स, उसको स्कैन करने के लिए ये आपके पास ये स्कैनर है आपके पास। दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हिच वन, हैंड हेल्ड स्कैनर। तो दिस इज फेमस when you purchase something, at the time of billing, this type of scanner is used. Next is barcode reader. So barcode reader is just like your handheld scanner. Handheld scanner और barcode reader look is same, but handheld scanner normally टेक्स्ट को भी स्कैन कर सकता है, उसकी इमेज क्रिएट कर सकता है, बट जो बारकोड रीडर है, इट कैन रीड ओनली द वर्टिकल लाइंस, एंड इन दीस वर्टिकल लाइंस देयर इज हिडन इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट प्रोडक्ट, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट, डेट ऑफ नेम ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर, then there is name of the manufacturer, and then date of expiry, everything is saved. Okay, this is called barcode reader. Now next is here is concept keyboard. These keyboards are according to the profession. For example, in any restaurant, these keyboards are used for scanning. These keyboards are used for quick billing. So on every key there is a eatable name is there, and then we type the quantity. Look at here, there is a one picture that is showing the concept keyboard. Look at here, So e-tables are there, number of quantities here. So this is used for quick processing of your bill. Next is magnetic script reader. Beta, in your ATM card, then in your debit card, credit card, there is these are magnetic strip card. In this black color strip is there. उसमें आपके पास पूरी हिडन इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. तो जब आप उसको स्कैन करते हो with the help of your machine and you suppose you buy something, तो उससे में जब आप मनी पे ड्रॉ करते हो तो वो स्ट्रिप से आप पूरी की पूरी डिटेल रीड हो जाती है कि अकाउंट किस बैंक में है, किस बैंक अकाउंट नंबर क्या है और ब्रांच कौन सी है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. Next is OMR. So OMR stand for objective. OMR stand for, yes, any student, optical mark reader. Okay, and these are used in examinations. So you dot the correct answer, and there is a one machine, that is OMR machine. We put the OMR sheet inside this, so it will read all the responses and match the responses with the correct answer, and then evaluation is there. There is OCR. OCR stands for optical character reader, and these are used for scanning your document and create the document, Word document. So there is, if there is a written material is there or a handwritten material is there, so this type of device will read the characters and create not a image, but it will create a text, and that text we can edit, we can change that. Now output devices, and output devices used to give the output maybe in the shape of your printing or maybe in the shape of sound. So there are two different output devices: monitor, speaker. Monitor give us used to produce soft copy output, and speaker is used to produce sound. Now printer, two type of printer: impact printer, non-impact printer. In impact printer, there is ribbon inside the printer, and there is a printer head that give hit on ribbon, and the ink of the ribbon is on the paper. But in the case of non-impact printer, there is no any type of ribbon. Ink is sprayed on the paper. So impact printer, daisy wheel, dot matrix. ठीक है, daisy wheel, dot matrix. But in the case of non-impact, inkjet, thermal, laser printers are there. Next is, there is plotter. Plotters are high quality printer. If we want to print very accurate printing, the accurate printing is required by the architect or the person who is creating the design of car or a bike or something else. This type of printing need accuracy. So these are used by engineers, architects, or map makers. So plotters again are of different types. Okay, there is pen plotter, there is a photo plotter. Okay, in the pen plotter, pen is moved on the paper, but in the case of photo plotter, the page is go inside the plotter. So this is your called here photo plotter. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास different plotters हैं. And there is projector. Projector is used to give the large preview on the big screen, ठीक है, or wall. So there are two type of your projector. One is called multimedia projector, that is attached with the computer system. There is overhead projector. जो किसी कंप्यूटर के साथ अटैच नहीं होते थे. We put one page on the scanner and the preview is on the big screen. So second side there is a overhead projector. There any doubt?
सर प्रिंटिंग प्रेस वाले कहाँ से प्रिंट करवाते हैं, वो भी प्लॉट से बताइए.
There repeat your question again.
सर जो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस वाले होते हैं वो भी प्लॉटर से
No बेटा, बेटा प्रिंटिंग प्रेस वाले उन्होंने एक्यूरेसी से प्रिंटिंग नहीं करनी. ठीक है, टेक्स्ट हमारा थोड़ा सा इधर भी हो जाए उधर भी हो जाए, नो एनी इशू. पर जो डेवलप करते हैं, डिजाइन करते हैं, कार डिजाइनिंग इज या कोई बाइक की डिजाइनिंग, वहां पे एक्यूरेसी इज रिक्वायर्ड. एक सेंटीमीटर का भी 100th प्लेस आगे पीछे हो जाएगी तो पूरी डिजाइनिंग खराब हो जाएगी. ठीक है, स्क्रू का साइज थोड़ा सा इधर से उधर हो गया, पूरा स्क्रू ही नहीं आ रहा वहां पे. ठीक है, ऐसी डिजाइनिंग जहाँ पे वी नीड वेरी एक्यूरेसी. ठीक है, वहां पे हमें प्लॉटर चाहिए. आपने इफ यू वांट टू सी द प्लॉटर, गो टू द रेल कोच फैक्ट्री. ठीक है, वहां पे फॉर डिजाइनिंग द कोचेस, ठीक है, वहां पे प्लॉटर लगे हुए हैं. ठीक है, वो उसकी डिजाइनिंग प्रिंटिंग करने के. क्लियर? डायरेक्ट क्लियर?
ओके सर.
Okay बेटा. But in the case of your printer, monitor, the another name of monitor is called CRT, cathode ray tube, and there are different type of printer. These printers are the different type of monitors, and these monitors are another name of monitor is called visual display unit, and different type of monitors are CRT, cathode ray tube. It's a very old technology. There is LCD. LCD stand for liquid crystal display, and on screen, its screen is called TFT, thin film transistor. There is a plasma monitors. Then there is a touch screen monitor. There is a LED monitor. So there is OLED monitors. So LED monitor, LED stand for? Yes, any student, LED stand for? Yes, beta.
Light emitting diode.
And OLED? OLED.
Sir, organic light emitting diode.
Yes, organic light emitting diode. So this is all about the chapter number 2. So in next week, we will revise the chapter number 1. Okay, students, take care. Bye. Time is over.